Hey, this is Tom again with Kizen Enterprise. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Kizen Mitre Fence Pro Plus to cut crown. I'm going to use 4.5 inch crown. I'm going to also use the armor clamp to hold it in place. So I'm going to take a pin, pick a hole, flat it so that the crown is flat on the fence and flat on the table. Use the thumb screw in the back, lock down the pins. Okay. Now I'm going to cut an outside corner and let you see how the armor clamp can help you on your measuring also. So, take that to a 45. It in. There. The saw down. I'm kind of doing it so you can see it. Now I can match my plate with that inside corner cut because use wall measurements to cut your trim. So I can come here, hook on now, and then part whatever measurement I need right there. So, thank you for watching.